Welcome back, candidates. So, at the theory part, I have said you means I have taken you all the implementation of VPC. Now, let's do our practical hands-on on our AWS VPC. Now, since on your first slide means on the theory class, on the very first slide, I have said you that every VPC will be having its specific region. Got it? Means first there will be region, then their availability zone will be considered. So now let us consider the practical hands-on to this one. So for that, I am sharing the diagrams for the VPC. This very first block, this one. This is of means specifying my region. My region is East US. I have taken an example, East US. Now in that region, I am having three virtual private cloud. What they are? First is dev, test, then production. Now, I have also said you that there will be some CIDR block. Means there will be some CIDR block onto our specific VPC. Take a look at this one, the production VPC. The first one, 10.1.0.0 is the IP prefix. After the slash, we are having 16. Now 16 specified to 8 plus 8, that means it is having 16th CIDR block. At first, it is the IP prefix. After this slash, it identifies the CIDR block. Now, this we have divided our region, means on that region we are having three VPCs. Now let us go on and create our VPC. Here I am at my AWS management console. Here I have typed the VPC and I am onto that service. Let us go and create our VPC. Yeah, I will be hitting on option that is create VPC. Then after that, the first and foremost thing will come that what will be the name of the VPC. Now let us consider our dev VPC. VPC. From our example, what was our CIDR block? Means our IP prefix. Let us check that. Dev 1 was having production is 1, dev is 2. Okay, now let us change this. Production is 1, 10.1.0.0, and here I need to also specify our CIDR block. Name is production. Now let us hit create and our VPC is created. Now which VPC is this? This is our production one. Here it is. I have given the name and the name is there. Now let us create our dev one, dev VPC. Same process, we will be giving the name, we will be assigning the word IPs. First IP schema, and after that we will be specifying our CIDR block. 10.2.0.0 is for the dev. Let us create hit VPC. Okay, fine. Now at our final thing, our last one, the testing. Same process I am going to repeat again. VPC 10.3.0.0 is specifying our CIDR block, and we have successfully created our VPC. Now congrats, you are having three VPCs for the dev, test and production onto your region. What is the region here? Bombay. Got it. Now let us, after this class, we will be taking a look at the subnets one. Thank you.